Hello students, let's read the question, and the question says what kind of reproduction is shown in this diagram. So students, हमारे पास यहाँ पे एक diagram दिया हुआ है. In this diagram we can see that there is presence of cell wall, cell membrane and DNA structure, and then we have the mode of reproduction and conditions related to it. So the key concept over here kids is binary fission. Binary fission is the key concept. So let's understand how does binary fission takes place. So binary fission is a kind of reproductive method which is seen in case of bacteria. Bacteria show binary fission in a favorable condition. जब भी favorable environment present होगा, जब भी सब कुछ बढ़िया चल रहा होगा, उस टाइम पे बैक्टीरिया अपने पास जो reproduction show करेगा, that will be through binary fission. अगर बाइनरी फिशन की बात करें, इन बाइनरी फिशन व्हाट एक्चुअली हैपेंस इज दैट देयर इज अ पेरेंट सेल एंड इट्स डीएनए. तो ये हमारे पास है पेरेंट सेल एंड इट्स डीएनए. फर्स्ट थिंग क्या होगी स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे, दैट देयर विल बी डीएनए रेप्लिकेशन. देयर विल बी डीएनए रेप्लिकेशन. द डीएनए विल रेप्लिकेट इटसेल्फ and the size of the cell will grow. So you can see there are two DNA portions now, and finally what will happen, the cell will split itself into two daughter cells. So there will be formation of two daughter cells after splitting of the cell. So this process is known as binary fission, which is present in case of bacteria in favorable environment. So let's get back to the question. So we can see that there is binary fission in this diagram. Now going to the question. So mode of reproduction, budding, favorable. This is wrong. The diagram and the figure doesn't represent budding. यहाँ पे हमारे पास binary fission show हो रहा है. So binary fission which takes place in favorable environment. Spore formation is seen in case of your fungi, which is present in case of favorable as well as unfavorable environment. And then budding will take place in your favorable environment in certain organisms like yeast. So the correct answer for this particular question will be option B. Option B is the correct answer. This diagram represents binary fission. I hope it is clear to everyone with this. Thank you so much.